welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. My name is India. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. We're gonna jump right into it. So you guys, I wash my hair, and I normally do a wash and go, but today I wanted to do something different, and I know you already seen the title, so you know what that is. A little backstory. So I had purchased this Talib Wajid green apple and aloe miracle hold gel. Now when I first purchased this, I thought it was like real gel, but this gel is actually for like doing ponytails, braids, twists, and things like that. So I had this and I'm like, okay, I've got to use this. I spent my money on it, so let me do some braids or something. I usually do a wash and go, but I just, I don't know, I just didn't feel like doing a wash and go today, and I really don't want to be bothered with my hair, so I wanted to do some type of protective style where I wouldn't have to actually do anything too much to my hair. So I went in my hair stash and I found some braiding hair. And so I had a bunch of this pre-stretch Spectra braid hair. It's in the color 1B30. So this is what it looks like. I'll probably realistically only have this in for about 2 weeks and then I'll take it out. But again, I just wanted a protective style, something where I wouldn't have to do anything to my hair. I am going to be doing the rubber band method. I know. Don't beat me up in the comments. The rubber band method is not the greatest for your hair because rubber bands tend to cause breakage. But one, I'm going to be doing larger sizes, and two, I'm only going to have it in for maybe 2 weeks. So it's okay. We're going to be okay. The one thing that you guys have to learn about your natural hair is you have to do what works for you. So I've done this method before. It did not give me breakage, so I'm going to do it again. I'll probably be also using a little bit of this leave-in conditioner just to add a little moisture to my hair as well. Even though my hair is super moisturized already, my hair is already washed and deep conditioned. Right now I'm just towel drying. So one quick thing is, when I used to go get my hair braided or twisted professionally, the lady who did mine, who always did a really good job, she would always braid or twist my hair on like damp hair. And it always looked so super good. So even when I would go to her, like I would leave my hair and twist from after I deep conditioned, and I would just go. So she didn't blow dry or anything, and my hair always came out super good. And after I took my style out, they were always extra moisture. Like my hair was always like still very moisturized. So I'm gonna do that same thing today. I'm going to be starting this style out on towel dry hair. So it's not 100% dry, but it's not 100% wet. Another thing, y'all already know, if you've been a part of my channel, I am terrible at parting. So this is about to get real interesting. That's another reason why I am choosing to use the rubber bands to kind of help me out a little bit, because I'm not the best parter. But we gonna get through this, okay? Because y'all, I just need a quick style. That's all. So I'm going to stop rambling. If there's anything that I left out or any questions you have, please feel free to ask me in the comments and I will answer any of those questions. I'm going to go ahead and get into it, and I hope y'all like it. finished. It has been a lot of time, but as you can see, the braids are done. And the only thing I need to do now is dip them. I'm going to dip them in some hot water to seal the ends. But yeah, y'all, this is it. Show y'all the back. Okay, y'all, so I wanted to come back in and show you some of the different ways I like to style these, because they are bigger and they're not the knotless or anything, but these braids just really get me through when I don't feel like doing my hair, especially when I'm working out, because I can just not have to worry about my hair. And I also don't have to worry about paying people $300-400 to get my hair braided. So it works for me. Again, I know it's not the knotless, and I know that everybody can't braid. I'm not the best braider. I can if I take my time, but I also knew that I wasn't going to keep these in for that long, so I didn't want to spend that much time on it. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys some of the simple ways that I like to style these, and let's get right into it. All right, so of course you could just wear them as is. I like to wear them just down like how they are right now. Super simple, easy. You don't have to do anything at all. I also like to flip them over to the side. So if I just flip them all over and bring everything to one side, I love to wear them like this as well. I think it's super cute. I don't know, it just gives you a different look when you wear them all over to one side. This is super cute. And the next way, if you're, you can still have them all to the side, but then you could just bring these over here to the back like that. That gives you a different look. Super cute. And next up, I like to do the half up, half down. So I will pull these up in the front, and I have my little bow, and I'll pull these up, and it doesn't have to be super tight. And because they're bigger, I like to make sure that the braids look right. So all right, so we could do the half up, half down, and we could actually just wear it like this. So boom. Cute, different. You got a half up, half down, right? Then we could also bring it up a little bit and do a top knot. Again, super cute top knot. I mean, who don't like a top knot, okay? Super cute. Then I also like to do the really big bun. So I pull them all the way up, and to pull them up, I just flip them all over. Use my bow to get them situated. And if you have any like sticking out like how that one is, I like to just kind of use my finger to find the braid and just pull it up so it's not sticking out. All right, so once you have them all the way up, this is also a look on its own. So here's another style. You could just wear it all the way up with the hair coming down. Super cute. This is giving me real 90s vibes right here. So yeah, you could wear them up like this and then just have the hair coming down. But then you can also turn it into a big bun, which this is my go-to. And I just wrap the hair and then tuck that in the ends. And so now we have a super cute bun. And this is really, the bun is really how I wear it a lot of times, especially when I'm working from home. I can just throw my hair up in a bun, call it a day. And I usually put it up in a bun like this when I'm working out as well, so all the hair is not flying everywhere and it's out of the way. There are some other styles, of course, you could do, but those are the main ones that I will be utilizing as I have these braids in. And I just want to show you guys that sometimes, you know, it's not the knotless. It is, you can see the knots. I do like them because they're the bigger size. They're the jumbo kind of size. And I love it because it didn't take me that much time to put them in and they're going to last. And like I said, I don't have to worry about my hair. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so. Join the family. We have a lot of fun over here. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.